Okay, y'all, I picked up a new hobby. I was stressing real bad, okay? Vlog is out on YouTube. Kobe, give me a second. My dog always got to be a part. Now, this is what I got so far. It took forever to get it on the stick. Let's start there. Okay? Once I finally got on the stick, I was making motion, but then I'm noticing these holes. Hopefully I can fix them. But this is what I did yesterday. I taught myself yesterday, and I did that. So I'm trying to make it into a little scarf. It might be a little raggedy, but I'm trying to make it into a little scarf. So I got a lot of string left. So hopefully I can get somewhere. I'm proud of myself. We're learning new tasks all year. And this is one of them. I had to pick between knitting and crocheting, and I picked knitting because I just like the way the 2 sticks looks. I ain't gonna hold you. It ain't even really no special reason. So, and it just look cool when you're doing the 2 little thing, whatever. That's why I picked it. But I like it so far, and I'm proud of the little pattern I made. In the middle spots, I could see the where I can go crazy at. But yeah, I'ma just keep going and see how far it takes me. If y'all got any tips, please let me know. And I feel like I would do better with a shorter stick as well, because these sticks is long as hell for no reason. But I guess that just depends on what you're trying to make. But yeah, give me some tips below. Thank you. Okay, so this is day 2. You can tell this was the beginning, and I feel like I'm getting a little better here at the top. But yeah, day 2, y'all. What y'all think? Okay, y'all, this is day 3. A major difference from day 1. And so right now I'm just focused on not making any holes and just trying to make it clean as possible. I did add an extra stitch on accident, but I don't think it's too noticeable. And then I double it up to try to go back to it. But yeah, y'all, this is day 3 of being self-taught. I'm proud. All right, y'all, this is day 4. I've been getting to work. You see me? Day 4, being self-taught. I am so proud. It's the beginning, Holy moly, donut shop. But this how much I got left. What y'all think? All right, y'all, this is day 5. This was day 1. The progress. I started with a whole full yarn. I am proud. But if y'all see something, let me know what I need to work on. Yeah. I cannot believe I taught myself how to do this. All right, y'all, this is day 6. That was day 1. All the way up to day 6, and the string is a wrap. Now I'm trying to figure out, should I go ahead and just end it and let this be my first little project, or should I keep going? But I don't know how to do neither one, so I'm gonna have to research that. But y'all let me know what y'all think.